Very good morning to all of you. This is my video number 55 and here I solved some problems of by parts method. Here I have listed 30 to 39 problems. Take the screenshot of these problems and look at these formulas and remember it. After remembering this formula, you can do these problems. Remember, I am telling the trick again. E to the power x sin bx dx. It is e to the power x by a square plus b square. A square plus b square. And here it is a sin bx minus b cos bx. For sin it is minus. For cos it is plus. Same way, e to the power x by a square plus b square whole into a cos bx plus b sin bx. Cos it is, for cos it is plus. Always you see, for cos there is a plus sign. Suppose cos 1 plus cos 2x, it is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus sin will come, 2 sin square x. Because here another way to remember, integration of cos is plus, so plus. Integration of sin is minus, so yes, minus. And you know the formula of x square minus a square dx is x by 2, x square plus a square, x square plus a square plus a square by 2 ln x plus x square plus a square root over, which I have told you earlier. Before look at this formula, I am telling in another way. Box square plus a square root over derivative of that box. Then the formula is box by 2. Box square plus a square root over plus a square by 2 ln box plus box square plus a square. Similarly, 4 and 5. You should remember everything in the box manner. Don't remember x square minus a square dx. Always try to remember jitna ka square minus a square root over derivative of utna, then utna by 2, utna square minus a square root over minus a square by 2 ln utna plus this utna square minus a square root over. Okay, now look at the problem number 30. It is e to the power 3x cos 2x dx. E to the power 3x, e to the power 3x cos 2x dx. What is the answer? E to the power x, e to the power x. Similarly, it will be e to the power 3x. It is a square plus b square, and it is 3 square plus 2 square. And the answer is a cos bx. It is 3 cos 2x, 3 cos 2x. For cos it is plus 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x. If in exam it will come as your 6 marks question. First you have to derive this formula. After that you have to do these 2 lines. Remember what I am telling. Again I am repeating it. If in the exam hall this question will come for 6 marks, then what you will do? You should derive this derivation, which I have done in my video number 54. After deriving that formula, you write these 2 things. Now, look at problem number 31. It is e to the power 2x sin x. Don't think it is sin x. Sin 1 into x. What is this? E to the power 2x sin 1x. It is e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x, and it is e to the power x by a square plus b square. It is e to the power 2x by 2 square plus 1 square. Okay. Whole into 2 sin x and minus. As it is sin, you should put minus. What is here multiplying? 1 into x. So 1 cos x. You should write 1c. Okay. Plus c plus c. Then e to the power x cos square x. Look at this problem number 32. It is e to the power x cos square x, and there is no formula in this regard. It is square, but here it is angle. Cos bx means cos angle, not power is given. So you have to convert this power to angle in chapter number 3. What is that? Now cos square x is 1 plus 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole into dx. Then what you will do? Look at what am I doing? It is simply 1 by 2. I am writing 1 by 2 e to the power x dx, e to the power x dx plus 1 by 2 integration e to the power x, e to the power x cos 2x dx. Now you can do this. Integration of e to the power x is what? E to the power x plus 1 by 2. Take a whole common. It is e to the power x 1x. It is cos 2x. It is 1 square plus 2 square. And take common. A cos 2x. 1 cos 2x. 1 cos 2x. Then it is plus 2 sin 2x. 2 sin 2x. After that you will put a constant c there. You will put a constant here. Okay. Now 30, 31, 32 I have solved. Okay. Now look at number 33. It is x e to the power x square sin x square dx. For this problem, this formula is not coming directly. You have to arrange this e to the power x square sin x square x dx. Why? Is this x square, here x square, it creates the problem. So put t is equal to x square. Its derivative is dt, so 2x dx. So multiply 2, divide 2. Now it is in the form half e to the power t sin t dt, e to the power t sin t dt. And here a is 1, b is 1. So apply e to the power t 1 square plus 1 square whole into 1 sin t minus 1 cos t. Okay, plus c. Number 33. For problem number 34, see my video number 54 where I have solved it on the last part of my video. Next, this is 35. 35, it is 9 minus x square root over dx. Just keep as it is as 3 square minus x square root over dx. Answer is what? Answer is here the formula a square minus x square root over. It is in the formula number 5. What is that? Box by 2. Box means x by 2. 3 square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means what? 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 sin inverse x by 3 plus c. I am telling you again, if this question comes in your exam 35, then you have to do first derive the formula 5 in your copy. If it is 6 marks, then derive this question. After that you will do by putting the value. Or you can do this problem directly as number 5, which I have solved in my video number 54. Okay. Now look at the problem number 36. What I am reading, it is a 5 minus 4x square root over. Now this is 4x square. Whose square is 4x square? 4x square means it is 2x whole square. I am writing in place of 4x square. I am writing here it is whole square of 2x whole square. Means you have to put the derivative 2x square. You have to put the derivative of 2x, and derivative of 2x is what? 2. So 5 minus 2x square into derivative of 2x is 2. So 2 dx, and it is right half into 2 dx. Okay. Now I am repeatedly telling it. It is 5. Question is 5 minus 4x square. You have to put 5 minus 2x whole square as it is 4x square. And in place of dx, I am multiplying 2, dividing 2. Okay. Next step, as we know, derivative of 2x is simply 2 dx. So what am I doing here? root 5, in place of 5 I am writing root 5 whole square minus 2x square into, in place of 2 dx I am writing derivative of 2x. Now look at the formula here. It is a square minus box square derivative box. Box square derivative box. It is what? Box by 2. As it is half in the half is constant there, so keep it outside. Now as your answer it is what? Box by 2. Box is here 2x by 2, 5 minus 4x square whole root over plus a square by 2, that is 5 by 2 sin inverse 2x by root 5 plus c. You will write a constant there. Next, number 37. Look at here. It is 1 minus x square minus 2x. Here minus x square. Looking minus x square, you have to know that it is in the formula 5 because a square minus x square. Everywhere x square positive, but here in 5 it is x square negative. What you have to do? Next step, you have to take first a minus sign. Take the minus sign first here. Minus. What you will do? X square. Take common. X square plus 2x. Now I am erasing it. Now tell me, for a complete square, what you have to do there? It is a minus taking common. No constant here I am not taking. Minus x square plus 2x. So for a complete square, you have to add 1 here, so that it becomes x plus 1 whole square, and you should put 2 here because 2 minus 1 is 1. Now it is 2 minus x minus 1 whole x plus 1 square dx. 2 means it is what? Root 2 whole square minus it is x plus 1. Now it is a derivative of x plus 1. Now apply that formula which is here. What is box by 2? Box means x plus 1 by 2. 2 minus x plus 1 whole square root over plus a square by 2. A square means what? Root 2 the square, that is 2. 2 by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by root 2. Okay. Look at problem number 38. 38, it is e to the power z 4 minus e to the power 2z. Just I am writing 4 means 2 square. E to the power 2z means e to the power z square. And I am writing e to the power z on the right side, e to the power z dz. Now clearly e to the power z dz is derivative of e to the power z. Derivative of e to the power z is e to the power z dz. And I am writing it is 2 square minus e to the power z square. Formula is what? Formula is box by 2. Means box is what? E to the power z by 2. 2 square minus e to the power z square plus a square. What is a square? 2 square by 2 sin inverse e to the power z by this a. A is what? 2. In this problem, a is 2. So this is another 2. This is not a. Answer is box by 2. Means e to the power z by 2. A square means this is a square minus x square root over. Then a square by 2. A square means 2 square by 2. By not a. Here 2 is there. Here a be 2, 2 be 2. Okay, no confusion it. Now 39. 39 is what? It is question 5 minus sin square theta. I am writing this position, cos theta to this position. Now after this what I am writing? It is root 5 square. 5 is root 5 square minus it is sin theta square, and cos theta d theta is derivative of sin theta. The answer is sin theta by 2. That is box by 2. Box by 2. Box by 2 sin theta by 2. A square minus x square, that is 5 minus sin square theta root over plus a square by 2. A square means 5 by 2 sin inverse sin theta by root 5. Okay. Now you can observe what I am doing. Take this screenshot of these problems. First, it is my sincere advice. First, you should do by yourself. After that, you should come and solve these problems. Okay. Now look at number 40. It is very simple. X square plus 4. X square plus 4. It is x square plus 2 square. Applying this formula, Baksa square plus a square d Baksa is x square plus a square dx x by 2 x square plus 4 plus a square by 2 ln x plus x square plus a square root over, and here it is x square and it is 2 square. You apply, you get this answer. Okay, now you can do by yourself. Now this is 7x square plus 2, but here we have to, for applying in this method, we have to write whose square is this. It is root 7x square plus whose square is this 2, it is root 2 square, and here you have to write the derivative of this root 7x, and derivative of root 7x is root 7 dx. So I multiply root 7 here and divide root 7 here. Multiply root 7, divide root 7. Root 7 dx I am writing derivative of root 7. Then applying this formula here, you get the answer. Now here look at 42. It is 4x square 2x plus 13. Look at here. What we have to do? We have to put the variable, we have to take this is variable. Whose square is this? Whose square means it is 4x square plus 12. You have to adjust this. Then it becomes 2x plus 3 whole square. 2x plus 3 whole square is what? 4x square plus 2 into 3. 12x plus it is 9. Then what is there? It is 13. If 9 is in this side, then 4 is on that side. So in 13, in case of 13, I am writing 9 plus 4. It is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now look at here. It is 2x plus 3 square plus 2 square. And you have to write derivative of 2x plus 3. And derivative of 2x plus 3 is what? It's 2. So you have to multiply, you have to divide half, and it becomes 2 dx. And in place of 2 dx, first I am writing it 42 again. You look at me what I am doing there. Multiply half, writing it as 2 dx, and this 2 dx you can write derivative of 2x plus 3. Now apply the formula box square plus a square d box. It is what? Answer is box by 2. Box means what? Box by 2. 1 by 2 you keep it here. Box by 2. It is 2x plus 3. Box by 2. And it is what? X square plus a square root over. X square means 2x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square plus what? A square by 2. A square means what? 4 by 2, and it is I am writing here, it is in this 4 by 2 box ln box means 2x plus 3 plus what? It is 2x plus 3 square plus 2x plus 3 whole square plus what? 2 square whole root over. Okay, plus c. Now I am doing, it is number 43, which is very easy for you. You can do by yourself by writing this 43. It is very easy. You can do. What is that? Tell me. It is, you have to write e to the power 4z first. E to the power 2z whole square plus root 6 whole square whole root over, and in place of e to the power 2z, what you have to write? The e to the power 2z I am writing. 2 I am writing. Why I am writing 2 and dividing 2? You can tell me. It is 1 by 2 e to the power 2z whole square plus root 6 whole square whole root over, and this is your derivative of e to the power 2z. Derivative of e to the power 2z. Now you can do by yourself. Number 43. It is number 43. You can do it by yourself by applying that formula. Formula number 3. Okay. Look at here. I am doing number 45. It is x square minus a square root over dx. X square minus a square root over. I am writing it is root 8 square. Answer is x by 2. X square minus a square root over. Here it is answer. minus, here it is minus. In the 3, 4, 5 formula, only 4 gives you minus. It is minus a square by 2. A square by 2 means whatever it is writing there, it's by 2. It is writing 8, so 8 by 2 ln x plus x square minus 8 root over plus c, you have to write it there. And in number 46, it is 3x square minus 2. Whose square is 3x square? Naturally it is root 3x. Root 3x square minus root square, root 2 rho square. Then you have to write the derivative of this here. That is derivative of root 3x. I am writing here. It is derivative of root 3x is derivative of root 3x is root 3 dx. I am dividing here and writing derivative of root 3x. Derivative of root 3x. Then the answer is what? Answer is equal to root 3x by 2 means box by 2. Root 3x square minus 2, keep it is as it is, minus a square by 2 minus root 2 by minus a square means 2. 2 by 2 a square by 2, that is 2 by 2 ln root 3x plus this much. This much is 3x square minus 2. Similarly, number 47, you have to make this part as a complete square. It is x square minus 4x plus 2. So you have to write x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square is x square minus 4x plus 4. But here it is 2. So you have to subtract 2. And you have to write this dx as a derivative of x minus 2. Then apply the formula. Apply the formula here. It is box by 2. Means x minus 2 by 2. Write this much. Minus a square. A square means 2. 2 by 2 ln box plus this is box means x minus 2 plus this much, that is x square minus 4x plus 2 root over plus c. Okay, look at number 48. It is a to the power z, a to the power z, a to the power 2z minus 4 whole root over dz. It is I am writing a to the power z, a to the power z, and a to the power 2z means a to the power z square minus 2 square, and derivative of a to the power z is what? A to the power z into ln a. Now I am dividing 1 by ln a, multiplying this ln a. Now writing this as 1 by ln a to the power z square minus 2 square root over into derivative of a to the power z. Okay. Now then apply the formula, which is apply the formula number 4. 1 by ln a to the power z by 2 a to the power 2z minus 4 whole root over minus 4 by 2 ln a to the power z plus a to the power 2z minus 4 root over. Okay. Now number 49. It is very important. Number 49. It is sec theta tan square theta minus 3. And if it is sec theta tan theta, whose derivative is sec theta tan theta? Naturally it is derivative of sec theta. So convert everything to sec theta. So here it is tan theta. You have to do what? Sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 minus 3. It is sec square theta minus 4. And sec theta tan theta d theta. It is a derivative of sec theta. Now apply the formula. You get this answer. Okay. Now look at here. It is sec square theta. I am writing sec theta का whole square minus 2 square. Then sec theta का derivative कितना होगा? Sec theta tan theta d theta. So in place of sec theta tan theta d theta, I will write derivative of sec theta. तो ये formula आ जाएगा कि नहीं? क्या? box square minus a square d box d sec theta. Then you apply this formula. Okay. Many students ask me this question. In my teaching experience, I told you, students ask me, sir, why you are not putting t is equal to tan theta? If you will put t is equal to tan theta, then derivative of tan theta is sec square theta, which is not in your picture. In your picture, first you have to see what d theta is there. Missing this part. Think it is sec theta, tan theta, d theta. It is derivative of sec theta. You have to adjust this inside root over and in terms of sec. Okay.